Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function isinstance. Hi Python developers, in this video we're diving into the isinstance function, a powerful tool to check the type of an object. By the end of this video, you'll know how it works, when to use it, and how it can make your Python code safer and more readable. Let's get started. What is isinstance? It's a built-in Python function that checks if an object is an instance of a class or a subclass thereof. Here's the syntax. Isinstance with arguments object and class info. Object is the object that you want to check, where class info is a class, type, or tuple of classes, and types to check against. The function returns true if the object matches the class info. Otherwise, it returns false. Why use isinstance? It's a safe and explicit way to validate object types in Python. Key concepts include: it checks if an object belongs to a specific type or class. It works with subclasses, meaning it returns true if the object is an instance of a subclass of the specified class. It supports checking against multiple types by using a tuple. You'd use isinstance when you're validating input types and functions to ensure correct data types, when you're writing polymorphic code that behaves differently based on the object type, or when you're debugging or inspecting objects to confirm their types. It's particularly useful in dynamic or type-sensitive programs. Let's start with a simple example to check the type of an object. Here, isinstance checks if X is an instance of the int class, returning true. Isinstance can check against multiple types using a tuple. In this example, isinstance returns true because X is a float, which is one of the types in the tuple int and float. Isinstance works with subclasses as well. Let's see how. Here, Fido is an instance of dog, which is a subclass of animal, so isinstance returns true. You can use isinstance in conditional logic to create type-specific behavior. Here we define a function describe object, and in this function we have a listing of if statements using isinstance to check whether an object is an integer, a string, or some unknown type. This approach ensures that your code handles different types appropriately. Isinstance is often used to validate input in functions. Let's see an example. This code ensures that only integers or floats are accepted, providing a clear error if the input is invalid. Here are some important points about isinstance. It checks types explicitly, which can make your code more robust. Use it cautiously in polymorphic code. Overuse might make your code less flexible. For checking custom objects, ensure they're part of the intended class hierarchy. And that's the isinstance function. To recap, it checks if an object is an instance of a specific class or type. It supports subclassing or multiple types. It's perfect for input validation, debugging, and polymorphic logic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!